All right, so looking at adding more obstacles, there's a couple different ways you can do this. One of the easiest ways is just by editing your backdrop. By editing your backdrop, you can add different objects. Looking at your paintbrush here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pick this color green for a type of slime that I'm going to add. Looking at the paintbrush, I'm going to add this to some different variations and areas of the game. So I'm just going to add a blob here and maybe add a blob at the corner so you can't cut that corner so short. Maybe even add a spot here so you can't run the inside of that corner. By doing this, what makes this very nice and actually efficient when you're writing code is now if I go back into my boat code, you can see that we have a lot of these sensing aspects. If you actually right click over here, you can actually duplicate a line of code and kind of pick and choose what pieces you want instead of going back and rewriting the whole thing. The nice part about that is I can take this if statement and put all of this down here. And instead of touching the color gray, if I choose that exact same color that I used for the slime, that when I run into this slime now, you can see that I'll get the same exact message that I did before. You have the noise, you have everything that you needed. That was this very similar to that of running into, say, the wall or maybe even that bar. So that's how you can add just slime to your project.